How to indent in Google Docs. If you want to indent in Google Docs, whether you want to add a hanging indent or a first line indent with the indentation options, it's quite simple to do that actually. First, we will go to Google Docs spreadsheet and we will open up our spreadsheet right here. Once we've opened up a spreadsheet, we will simply select all of the text that we have that we would like to add an indent to. Once we've done that, on the top left, you want to simply go to Format, and from there you want to go to Align and Indent. From there you will find the option that says Indentation Options. Once you go to Indentation Options, here you can say Special Indent or other options as such. So here you can simply select a first line indent and set a custom value and click the Apply button, or whether it is the hanging indent, you could go ahead and possibly do that as well. This way you'll be able to indent in Google Docs. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.